And amid concerns about the fifth wave of COVID-19, Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange is confident the established protocols can help limit the spread of the virus. She was speaking at the launch of Reggae Sumfest last night. Anthony Lugg has our report.
There's been a raging debate about whether entertainment events should be restricted given the recent spike in COVID cases. Since the sector reopened in March, eager partygoers have been flocking events to get a taste of what they've been missing.
We have been locked down for about 2 years now, and as Jamaicans, we like to socialize, so we are looking forward to that, and we are very excited for the opening.
One of the largest events on the entertainment calendar, Reggae Sumfest, will be held in July.
Sumfest is back.
Hundreds of patrons from overseas are expected to attend the event. But with the country now experiencing the fifth wave of the pandemic, there have been concerns. But how concerned are the promoters? We put the issue to Joe Bogdanovich.
We have to get back to work. This is the new normal. It's a new normal. We go to work, we make some money. It's time to free up, get yourself clean. I hope you have some shots, but if you don't have the shots, well, that's on you, as the Prime Minister says. So all I can tell you, we're really feeling strong about Reggae Sumfest. We're an outdoor venue, so we're not worried about anything except great music, great time, great celebration.
While welcoming the festivity, Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange issued this caution.
I want you to listen to me. COVID still a keep. And so as we celebrate the reopening of the sector, and that Sumfest is back, our health and livelihood is still threatened.
Minister Grange argues, however, that due to consultation with stakeholders over the last 2 years, guidelines have been established to help limit the spread of the virus.
And I'm confident that these protocols will help us to ride out this wave and keep the wider entertainment sector open and thriving.
In the meantime, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett, while pointing to the need for balance, stressed the importance of personal responsibility.
We want to make sure that our entertainment, our music is enjoyed by everybody, and that the balance between health arrangements and enjoyment, and it's a very important balance that we must have. Enjoy the music, enjoy the good life, but also make sure we have long life.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.